Ford Wildtrak 2013 model at 3.2 liter. Papalit kami ng ito, busted tong glow plug number 1, glow plug number 2. Yan, buksan natin. Glow plug number 3, glow plug number 4, itong isa 4, glow plug number 5, yun nandun. Okay guys, yan, number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito busted to eh. Okay, may nilagyan ko na to ng tanda. Yan, Ford Wildtrak 2013 model, 3.2, 6-speed auto. Ito guys, yan, dito yung galing. Okay, testing yan eh, testing natin. Yan, test natin guys ha. Okay, positive body ground, let's check. Okay, okay, hindi siya nag-glow. Yan, okay, balik natin. Ito yung 1. Okay, 1. Ito yung 2. 2. Ito yung 2. Okay, check natin. Yan o guys o. Diba yan yung sa heater. Pag mag-start kayo ng Ford Wildtrak, mag-heater muna yan. Okay, dikit mo, kita nyo guys. Yan, okay. Yan, okay. Kung isa, testing ulit natin. Kunin ulit natin ito number 1. Ito, 1. Okay, ayaw guys, wala talaga, busted talaga yan. I-ano mo, spark mo doon sa direction mo. Tama? Okay, wala, spark mo kuya. Okay na. Okay guys, busted glow plug number 1. Glow plug number 1 busted. Yan, glow plug number 1 busted. Ito number 2. Okay, okay, busted. This number 2. Okay, number 3 testing. Now testing yan, Ford Wildtrak 3.2 liter 2014 model.